This just came in the mail. Let's see what we got this month. I started getting BoxyCharm sometime last year, I think around March, like around when the pandemic started, and I've really loved it. It's such a nice surprise to get a box in the mail every single month, not know what's in it, open it up. It's just like a true surprise. It's the first month of 2021. Let's see what BoxyCharm has brought us. So the first thing we have out of the box is the card that explains the theme for the month. This one sort of has all these like rose gold tones on it. And at the bottom it says fresh start. Appropriate. And the first item is an eyeshadow palette. It is called the Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. And the description says, create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formula delivers high pigment with super soft application. So this MSRP's at $30. I will say the box does feel velvety smooth, like it's, it's that sort of like soft matte touch to it. Let's go ahead and open the box here, take out the palette. And then as you can see, the box is nice. It's kind of for being small, it's pretty heavy. And once again, we kind of have like a soft matte touch to the lid here as well. And then the bottom kind of has this like shiny rose gold. Oh, okay. So we definitely have some shimmers in there. We have some ridges all over the different colors here. And it's kind of a lot of warm tones, a lot of bronzy tones. Let's go ahead and swatch a few of these real quick just to kind of see how it is. So I think I'm going to go in for this sort of soft, like peachy pink matte up here in the top right to begin with. And I'm hoping that this does indeed feel velvety smooth. All right, it feels pretty nice. Okay, all right. It went on very nice, very pigmented. I'll put up a screenshot of that so you guys can see it. And then let's also do the one next to it. It's kind of like a very high shine, like glitter metallic one. All right. Yeah, shows up fantastic. Well, we'll definitely be creating a look with this. Next up in the box, we have this Pharmacy Daily Greens product. Wow! Now this says it's a Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer. An oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. And this retails for $38. Now, I have been sent pharmacy things in BoxyCharm in the past, and I really liked what I was sent before. It was an eye cream. And so I'm very excited to dive into this. The box is very cute. It has sort of this pattern on the top and on the bottom, very well designed. Okay, cool. So it looks like my eye cream jar, but just bigger in green instead of red. Very nice. It's a nice, glass jar. Let's go ahead and open this up and see how it smells. I'm very excited. Oh yeah, definitely smells like tea tree oil. That's very, very forward and in front. Okay, it goes on really nice. Feels very light, almost like kind of watery in a way. Oh, that feels nice. Yeah, I like it. And yeah, it definitely smells nice. Next up, we have the Lifestyle Co. with Reset Mist. And I believe that is this right here, another like hefty glass bottle. I will say this BoxyCharm box was a bit heavier than the ones I've gotten in the past. All right, so indulge in a lavender and tea tree oil infused body and linen spray. Oh, spray the Reset Mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep and use it as a toner for your face in the morning to enjoy the properties of tea tree oil. This retails for $36. I've never had anything like this from BoxyCharm, something that you can spray on like linens and whatnot, and then also, I guess, your face too. Yeah, so let's see how this smells. It says quartz infused Reset Mist, lavender body plus linen spray. All right. 100% natural. That's nice to see. Oh my gosh, the type in the back is so tiny. How could anyone read that? All right, so. Oh, I can already smell it. Oh, let's spray it on the face. Yeah. That smells so good. I wasn't expecting it to be that great. And the mist is, of course, very fine and very nice. Do a couple more. Next up in the box, we have Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt's Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Now, this deeply hydrating peptide powdered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger-looking eyes for all skin types. And this retails for $82. Can you believe that? I think this box only costs what, like $25? Like, that's crazy. And I've been sent one other Dr. Brandt thing. I didn't love the thing that I was sent before. It was kind of like a toning spray, but it kind of just like, it wasn't really mist. It came out.
Excuse me, what was it?
Kind of just like you were spraying water on your face. It wasn't my favorite, but this is what the Do Not Age eye cream looks like. It's not too big, of course.
That's what she said.
Let's go ahead and see if it has a scent. Squeeze a little bit out. It has kind of like a small smell to it. It's very neutral though. It's not, I can't even describe it. It smells sort of medicinal in a way, but yeah, let's see. It goes on very smooth, very nice. It feels nice. Let's go ahead and put some on the other eye real quick. Feels very nice. I mean, with something like this, you know, it's not going to be like an instant wow sort of factor. Oh, it does. It already feels a little tighter under there, actually. It feels nice. But yeah, after using this for a few nights, hopefully I would start to see and feel a difference there. And last but not least in the box, we have the Qveen, Qveen, like queen, but with a V in it. Dragon Duo. So this says modern day boss babe approved. With an inky black pigmentation and a semi-waterproof formula, choose your look using the Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Liner Liquid for a smudge-proof, symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner Pencil for a soft look or a smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. And this retails for $28. So yeah, it's an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner, and eye pencil combo. So the box kind of has this like cool look on it.
Is that pearls all over her face or something?
Oh, okay. So it's not 2-in-1. It's actually two separate pencils in the box. So this one, oh, it has the logo on there, which is kind of like a Q with a dragon wrapped around it. That looks really cool repeated on there. And this one would be the liquid eyeliner, as you can see. This is the pencil. And yeah, you know, looks like an eye pencil. All right, and now for the eyeshadow and the eyeliners. I will be doing this off camera. Just to get the look done pretty quickly so you guys can see how it looks on an actual face. And when I get back, I'll talk about the process of putting it on and whether or not I liked the products.
2,000 years later.
So I've done up the face for you guys, but I don't have lashes on just so that you can see the eyeshadow palette and the eyeliners at work a little bit better. Overall, I really liked the eyeshadow palette a lot. Some pros about it, very little fallout. It did feel velvety nice. It was nice and smooth. The color selection is really great. The metallic showed up really well. It's not really showing up on camera that well, but I got this kind of like glitter thing in the center. They had one that was kind of more glittery than the rest of them, and I really like that one a lot. Some cons, some of the dark matte color that I used on the outside was a little patchy, but we got it to work in the end. But overall, I really like it. As for the eyeliners, I'm impressed. The actual liquid eyeliner is very, very good. It's very black. You have a lot of control with it. It doesn't like just like spurt out. The gel pencil, that was fine. There was nothing special about it to me. Like the liquid eyeliner, that was just a really great product. The gel pencil was just meh. For the palette, I could definitely see myself reaching back into the drawer to use it again. Would I say go out and buy it right now? No, not really, but I definitely liked it, and I'm excited to try out some different colors from it. So all in all, I'm very, very happy with this BoxyCharm box. We've got some really great brands in here like Dr. Brandt and Pharmacy. I really feel like I got my value this time. And honestly, there's not a single product in here that I'm like, I don't like this. Whereas usually there's always at least one product where I'm like, I could have done without that. But no, really, I will use all these products and I'm very, very happy with it. Thank you for joining me today with this unboxing of this January 2021 BoxyCharm box. I'm excited to do more of them in the future, and I hope this helped you. If you got a BoxyCharm box and you got different products, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know what you got. Or if you got some of the same products, let me know what you think of them. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the GaymerRix channel. Catch you next time.